Hi. Happy Monday, my dear.
Hi,
Hello.
look my
Happy
hair.
Monday. Wow. What?
Look,
Oh, who cut your
I,
hair?
yes, I
Who,
catch my,
you? You did? You're
I
the
catch.
you're the one who cut your hair? That's pretty.
Stop the video.
Did your mom help you cut your hair?
No,
Oh, I see. Okay, I will also cut my hair.
you're
Oh
here.
no. Oh, that's pretty, my girl. Oh, how are you today?
Fine.
How about your homework? Where is your homework video?
Oops.
Okay, maybe tomorrow you can submit your video. Okay, so here, my dear, let's go to our lesson. Okay, so tonight, oh, before that, let's exercise first so that we will not feel sleepy. Okay,
Here,
can
I don't know you. That is learn that, but I don't know. Here, teacher.
yes.
First simple form stay. Then argue with their uh, with,
What is it? Can I see it?
it's
Okay.
the English. Yeah, argue
Can I
with
can I see it, my dear? Can you show it to teacher?
what is
I can see it. Oh no. Okay, what's that? Marcia goes to dance lesson every Saturday. Yes, that's correct.
đây là cái phần số của chú.
Okay, yes. Did you learn that at school?
Yeah,
Oh,
I I learned online.
okay. So let's review. Let us see if you remember about tenses. Okay, so last time we learned about present simple. Now tonight we will learn about present continuous. Okay, let's review, my dear. Let us see if you remember. Okay, can you see our screen? If we say present continuous,
We use present continuous to talk about things that are happening now or around now. Oh, it's
yes.
in here. It's in here.
Okay, so let us see if you remember. Let us review.
You know what is continue?
It
Continuous.
means it happens from right now until later. It continues. It
And what
continues.
is happening?
Happening means what is happening right now. For example, okay, that is what we will learn today or tonight. Okay, actions that we do right now. Okay, let us see. Let us first discuss the positive. Okay, we say I, you, he, she, it, we, they, and then we add am, is, or are plus action, and then we add ing. Okay, my dear, let's try. Let's start from the subject I. Okay, our example, I am. Can you see it here? Can you see the ing here?
What is ing?
Okay, we add that to the action word. Okay, for example, Lan Fong is sit or sitting right now, right? So the correct answer is Lan Fong is sitting right now. Okay, for example, teacher. Teacher is speaking right now. Okay, we don't say teacher is speak right now. No, we don't say that. Instead, teacher is speaking right now. Okay, so let's continue, my dear. Here's another example. You.
You are playing football now.
Yes. He. What's the example for he? He is playing. Another ing. Okay, that's all for positive. How about negative? Let's go here for I.
Teacher,
I. Yes, my dear. Do you get it? Okay, for example, positive, Lan Fong is sitting right now. Negative, Lan Fong is not sitting right now. Okay, how about teacher? Teacher is speaking right now. How about negative?
teacher, teacher is sitting right now.
Negative,
Uh,
not. Okay, again.
teacher not sitting right now.
Yes, that's negative. Okay. How about um my mom is cooking right now. That
My
is
mom, my mom, my mom,
or sleeping. My mom is sleeping
my
right
mom,
now.
my mom isn't sleeping right now.
Yeah, very good. That's negative. Okay. How about your brother?
Wait for me, I talk. Con vào học đây. Okay.
Okay, my dear?
Teacher,
Okay.
my online in my online uh
In your online class before?
yeah, yes, before I learned that it's half the lesson. It's half that lesson and I don't know the teacher said here I translate for you.
Okay. Okay, my dear.
Here.
Okay, what is it, my dear?
You explain things in a way that's easier to understand.
Oh, why? What did you learn from your online lesson before?
Before, after class, I learned the class before that. And the teacher is talk very fast, and
Oh, I see.
students.
Oh, okay, because I want you to learn and enjoy and understand what we are learning. Okay? So I have here an example. Let us make some sentences. Let's play a game now. Okay. Okay, let's start with the positive. I'll give an example and you give the negative. Okay. For example,
No, I don't want to exam.
Oh, okay. One example only. And then we will continue for the next slide. Okay, for
Okay.
example, I am laughing right now. Ho ho ho
Dear,
ho.
do
Okay.
you know Google Form? Google Form. Google. That
Oh,
is have many question in that. That is mini test.
oh, I see. Okay. Maybe we can try that some other time. Okay, my dear,
Next year,
here. Uh,
next time,
oh,
because
what is that
the
name? Go Farm. What is it?
yes, Google Form.
Okay, teacher will search for that and we will try that sometime, okay?
You search mini test.
Okay,
It's
I will search
but is level because my class is because I uh, because
Okay.
in the class is have question difficult,
Oh,
but
but
is
I'm sure you can do it. I'm sure you can answer the
and
test.
have question difficult because today I have six
Six.
the mini test. Yes, the mini.
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, my dear, don't worry. We will try the minute test or go farm sometime. Okay, teacher will search for it first. Okay,
Next time, cheer. Next time.
yes, next time. But I will search for it first. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so can you give here the negative? For example, I am laughing right now. Ho, ho, ho.
Nothing. Nah.
Okay, what's the
Yes, I
negative?
know. Nothing is.
Okay, I don't,
I I don't. I don't
or I am not.
like.
Okay, instead, I am not laughing
Uh,
right now.
uh, um,
Okay.
I'm laughing right now.
Yes, okay. I am not laughing right now.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, my dear, very good. Okay, now you
You
know the present continuous. Okay, so let's continue with our slide here.
here. I read the homework in the class.
Yes, and
Oh no.
the homework I give you.
No. The homework of the
What?
class give me.
Oh, in your class. Okay, what kind of homework?
I don't know.
The homework I gave you?
No, the class.
Oh,
No, I don't see. Oh, what? I don't. No. Here, teacher.
okay.
Here. My here. Here's the question in that. Choose the word was man is the question. A common I don't know. And here,
Okay.
person simple form I don't know.
Okay,
It's
maybe next time teacher can help you with your homework. Your
oh
other
teacher.
teacher.
Persons habits and permanent situation. What is that? I don't know.
Permanent situation.
Yes, it's very
Oh,
cool.
okay. Permanent situation means something that doesn't change.
Yes, and stage. And
Okay.
general traps.
Okay. Well, you can think about it in some other time. If you have free time, you can study it online or you can search for it. You can research for it.
Teacher, tomorrow
Okay?
you search the Google form.
Okay, I will search.
Here, do you know English? I don't know English, but math and Vietnamese I know.
Okay, you can say, teacher,
Teacher,
I'm not good in
I'm
English.
in English.
I'm not good in English, but
In, in English,
but I am good in math
now
and
I'm good
Vietnamese.
math and Vietnamese.
Okay, again, please.
I'm not good English, but I good math and
I'm good. I'm good.
I'm good English, but I not good English, but I good math and Vietnamese.
Okay, I'm good. I'm
Good.
okay, very good. Okay, my dear, now you have to compare the pictures. Okay, first, in the first picture,
Here. Here, learn he, she, it. Okay. Learn the person simple.
okay. Now let's learn the present simple. Okay, let's see here. Let's start with okay, here.
The
What
sentences. Okay, the
let's
sentences
use
is
the picture. Okay, present simple. What is the man doing?
the man is have the glasses.
Okay, here. Here. What is the man doing?
The man is waving. The man is waving the hand.
Okay, that's present continuous. The man is
Is
waving his hand right now. Okay? That is present continuous. How about the girl here?
The girl is waving her hand.
Yes, very good. Okay, we don't say the girl. Okay, that's right. The girl is waving her hand. How about in the second picture? Oh, here. How about the shirt of the girl? Here.
Is wearing her the t-shirt.
Okay, can you see the dots here? Here, dots.
Yes,
Okay. In the first picture, the girl shirt.
I know. The first picture, the girl is
Wearing.
Have a back, the circle back.
Okay.
Circle backs. But in picture 2, there is a square backs.
But it's the same. I think the backpacks are the same. In picture 1.
The girl in in the circle and square back.
Oh, okay. Here. You mean here, right?
Yes.
Okay. In the first picture, the girl is holding a circle bag, a round bag. In the second picture, the girl is holding a square bag. Okay, again, my dear, can you say that again? In the first picture, the girl is holding
the bag.
a round bag.
The round bag. But in picture 2, she
is holding
holding the square bag.
Very good. Okay. How about here, my dear? In the first picture, the green bag.
The green bag is under the chair.
Yes. In the second picture.
In the second picture, of the bag.
The green bag.
The green bag is on the chair.
Very good. How about this man here? In the first picture, the man is...
Teacher, do you know the sentence set in Vietnam?
Sentences?
Yes.
Yes. What is it in Vietnam?
Do you know the sentence set in Vietnam?
No.
That.
Teacher does not know yet.
Yeah, teacher.
To be hoist with one's own petard.
Can you play it again, my dear? What did it say?
To be hoist with one's own petard.
Oh, okay. Teacher only knows Sin Chow and Chow Betoy. Is that right?
That is sunset in Vietnam.
Okay. Okay, my dear, thank you for that. Now let's go back here. The man is sitting.
The man is sitting on the chair.
Okay, how about this one?
But the second picture, the man is under the chair.
Okay, and sitting on the grass. Okay.
On flower.
Yes, with flowers. Yes, yellow flowers. How about here, the teacher? On the first picture.
On the first picture, the girl is running, but the
In the second.
second picture, she is walking.
Very good. Okay. And the last one. Okay, in the first picture, there are.
In the second picture,
First, in the first picture, there are.
there have two birds.
Okay.
But
Oh, by the way, my dear, okay.
in second picture, it's not.
Okay. Oh, by the way, we don't say, okay, there are. There are have two birds. We don't say that, my dear. We don't say this one.
Have two birds.
No, we don't say have. Okay. There are two birds. Okay. Or if we use the have, we can say there are having. Okay. But usually we say there are two birds. We don't say there are have two birds. No, we don't say that. Hello, little brother. Okay. And the last one, my dear, here, in the first picture.
In the first
Here.
picture.
Okay, here, the skateboard. What can you say about this?
In the first picture, the
Skateboard.
board is the color in the skateboard is a purple.
Okay, and the second?
In the second picture, the color in the skateboard is
of the color of the skateboard.
The color of skateboard is pink.
Very good. Okay, you did it. High five, my dear. High five. Double high five. Yes. Good job. Okay.
Teacher. Time left.
Okay. Oh no, where is it now?
22:02.
What time is it now?
22:02.
Oh, is it time now? Okay, let's finish this quick. Let's read the example. You can read fast. Okay, let's try.
The skateboard is purple and gray, pink and yellow. The boy is sitting on the seat. on the grass. There is an alien moon on the screen. There are no birds on the roof. There's a backpack in front of on the seat. The girl with the pink bag is wearing a sweater t-shirt.
Okay, good job, my dear. Okay, another high five. Yay! Okay. Okay, my dear, let's continue this tomorrow and teacher will search for what is it? Go form.
Google form.
Okay, or mini test. Okay. Okay, thank you for tonight. Bye bye, my
Bye bye. Bye bye. See you
bye
again.
bye. Oh, bye bye, little brother. Thank
Bye
you.
bye. Good night.
Good night too.